Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you the latest update of my database application generator that generates Flutter code, Flutter framework code. So this is the interface of my application, and I'm gonna create a new Flutter project from Android Studio. I'm gonna name it something random. And I'm gonna copy the lib folder. My tool requires this folder. My tool will generate source code in this folder. I'll copy the folder name so I could place it. I'll change my previous model so it will be truly random. Okay, change table name, application name, and I'll click generate, and you can see some source code generated. I'll update the dependencies. I have created a file. My tool has created a file with the required dependencies, and because of the Firestore, it requires also some updates of build.gradle, the multi-dex activation. So here is the source code generated. It has a offline database layer. It has basic models with a util object that contains objects and count. Here is a constant for the web. I'll update it with my local internal server, and these are more REST implementations, REST repositories. I'll update this with my previous model, and this should not be present in future updates. So the repository layers have the same APIs, so you could here are UI widgets, navigation drawer, list, add edit. I also plan detail, and here is the view model. The views only depend on the view model, and from view model you could change the implementation of the repository, and it will target different store. So I'll update my widget to point to the newly generated widget, and I'll run the application. And it is a new application that stores stuff offline. I'll create 2 records. I'll delete one of them, and I'll update the endpoint of the end repository to be the network implementation, and I won't update any of the UI code because of this design pattern So I will run the application and you'll see the records that are on my local server that are different from the recently created records. So this is my latest update. It has a view model implementation, view model pattern implementation, and currently the Firestore repository implementation is not fully tested. So you could try it out by downloading it from tomavelev.com/GeneratorApp, and you could give me feedback on how to improve it. Thanks everyone.